We'll guide you through how to download and install the Essentials mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, because with the Essentials mod it's got some great features. For example, you can easily go and change your skin, you can go and play with friends, amongst other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. First of all, we need to go and close out of Minecraft. So we're going to close it like so. Now we can also go and close out of the launcher. Go and open up a web browser of your choice. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're interested in a Minecraft server, check out the link down below in the pinned comment or the description. So while you can go and use the multiplayer feature within Essential, the great thing about Apex is that you aren't having to go and host it on your computer. You aren't having to go and host it on your computer and your network, which has got its own risks really. So it's some great benefits to using Apex. For example, you can get a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support for your always online server. So the server will go and be online even if your Minecraft isn't currently running and you've got it open. And also automated backups as well, keeping things safe. So if you're interested in a server to play with your friends and others, definitely go and check them out. But to continue with the guide of getting Essential, what you want to do is go and type in Essential mod like so, and then you can come to the site essential.gg. This is the best way to play Minecraft. It says here the best way to play Minecraft. You can go and see you've got the download button here and also in the top right as well, so you can go and click on it. Now we're going to go and see the different versions here. So in this case, I'm going to go and get it for Fabric. You can go and get it for a different version if you want. Fabric will work fine though. The other versions would work well if you've got a mod you want to go and use. But in this case, we're just going to go and use it straight with Fabric. Then what we can do is it gets blocked, as you can click on it in the top right and press download verified file. You've now got Essential downloaded. Now what we need to do is, because we got it for Fabric, is we need to go and download Fabric and get the loader. So what you want to do is go and come to a search engine like Google, open a new tab, and you want to go and type in Fabric, and you want to come to fabricmc.net, go and click download, and then we can press download for Windows at the top. And what you can also do is go and get the Fabric API. So you can go and click on it, you can go and press files, and then you want to make sure you go and get it for the same version. So we went and got it for 26.1.1. So we can go and see that is at the top here. So what we can do is come to the right and press the three dots and press download file. Go and wait for it to go and download. It shouldn't go and take too long. And it's now finished and it's been blocked. So I'll go and click on it and just press download verified file. And then what you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. And you can go and find the Fabric installer, double click on it. Now what you want to do is make sure that version is set to what we got Essential for, which is 26.1.1. You can press install like so, and it's now finished. Press OK, and you can press search at the bottom. And then what you want to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the left and make sure you've got Java selected at there. Press installations and scroll down and go and find the version and press the folder to the right. And you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the mods folder. As you can see, double click on it, delete what's currently in here. And what you want to then do is go and come into your downloads and you can go and drag in Essential and you can drag in Fabric API. Come to the right and you can go and click play. Just understand the risk as it is modified and wait for it to load. Here we are, it's now loaded. Now you're going to go and see these different buttons that come with Fabric. So you can go and host. You've got social, so you need to go and start adding friends, which we can accept these. I've read them before. And now what you can do is you can go and start adding your friends here. Of course, you've got these other options here as well. What we can now do is go and get into a world. And what you can do is we can go and pause it. And what you could do is go and press invite, and I could go and start inviting people. Of course, your host IP will be visible through network logs, which is why it's a great benefit to go and use Apex, because you don't need to do that. And there are also some other great features of Essential you can go explore as well. Hopefully, to help this video, you managed to get it. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.